What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about what AI tools I recommend going into 2025 and the best way to make money online. I'm going to show you how to get started for free, and then I'm going to be showing you how that you can automate everything step by step. Now, let's talk about the first thing that you want to do in order to get started with this method. And the first thing is you're going to want to get the digital playbook. Now, how you do that is you just want to come digitalplaybook.com, hit get free course, put in your first name, email address, and you will get sent an email that gives you access to this Google Sheet or the digital playbook. And in here, you'll have access to hop on a call with me. So if you have any questions or need help getting things set up, you can do that. Or if you're someone like me and just wants to go solo, free course right here of how you can get started with this method. Import a snapshot. Basically what that is that gives you access to all my emails, all my funnels, all that stuff that I use to run my company in this software called Go High Level. And then we have basically done for you short form content. And then here is the list of 130 plus different AI tools that I use and that you can use to get paid to promote. Most of these are free. The ones in the top picks are the ones I like, but in this video, I want to be talking about the top ones that I think are going to be hot in 2025. And the first one is going to be a tool called Go High Level. So this first screen right here is a social planner. And in Go High Level, this is what I use to schedule out all my short form content. As you can see right here, basically like a schedule where these are scheduled right here. And right here, we have that they already published. Why I think this is going to be hot in 2025 is they have this new thing that they're introducing called an AI employee. So I'm not going to cover this in this video. If you want me to go over this more, go ahead and leave it in the comment. But I know that if you go to Go High Level's YouTube, that they're already going to be talking about this. And this is one of the main reasons why I think this tool is going to be hot in 2025. But I want to go ahead and talk a little bit more about what I'm using Go High Level for my business. And one of the main ones is going to be the automation part of it, where when someone signs up or puts their information into my funnel, they get put into an email automation where for the next 60 days, emails are going out to them promoting whatever tool that I'm choosing. And for this automation, it's going to be high level, but I have other automations for other tools. And what you could do would be, let's say you like the email copy for this. You could just take this copy, and then you could go to a tool like ChatGPT, and let's say you want to promote a different tool. I don't know, Leonardo, because that's one of the ones that I'm going to talk about here in a second. So I went into ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT to rewrite this email, but promoting Leonardo, the tool, instead. So boom, I could take this and basically use this email sequence or take that framework and put it into a different email sequence promoting Leonardo. Basically what business is in general is just frameworks that you got to follow. So going back to Go High Level, as you can see, one of the ones that I said is AI automations, but another one is just funnels and sites. So all my sites are built through this. This is just an example shot. So when you get the snapshot, which allows you to get all my funnels, all my emails, everything like that, you get access to basically what this is, where you have a simple done for you funnel. Boom, earn money online, put in your information, and then they get put into a email opt-in. So the next tool I want to talk about is a tool called Replicate. And what this tool does is it allows you to put in a prompt, and then from that prompt puts out an image. Now, I train this with pictures of me. So when I go, let's say Mike is, obviously this prompt is super basic. What I would do if I'm trying to get a better picture is I would go into ChatGPT and have that give me a better prompt. But even with a simple prompt like that, with Mike being the trigger word, you're about to see an image of me sitting at a computer. Look at that. That's pretty freaking good. As far as like, that looks like me. If you look at the profile picture on my YouTube, you'll see that that looks pretty good. Now let's just, let's see if we can get one of it looking, or like where you can see the front of my face too. I don't go on camera a lot on this channel, but if you do, there is a couple videos where I start off at the, like looking at the camera. Now this is pretty, like, that's pretty good. That literally, that is me. This is AI generated. Another thing that you could do is you could take this video, or you could take this image and turn it into video by going to something called Runway. But what I do for my short form content is, we just talked about Leonardo, and I'll go into here and I'll generate little videos like this that I can put together, where it's image to video. So image to motion, where you take an image and you turn that into some type of smooth motion. The lower it is, the not as fast. The higher, the faster it goes. But this is a tool that I'll use for my short form, and I like it because I'm just generating everything from AI. I don't mind being on camera, but it's just easier to use AI. It's also easier, but also I'm using AI to assist. I'm not using it for everything, but I'm using it to assist, which helps me with my creative ideas. Just look, yeah, I've been scrolling for a while, but you kind of get the idea. So what you would do is, now this tool is free to use. You'll get 150 credits every single day. And it, for something like this, it takes 24 credits. Let's go ahead and generate. Now for it to generate the images, it takes about, I don't know, 15 to 30 seconds. And then if you were to turn the image into more of a motion, it takes longer, closer to like 60 or 70 seconds. See both these, like, look, I don't know, these images are just crazy good. So why I really like this tool, because you can do so much from, like, let's say you wanted to do more of like a faceless YouTube channel. I do this just because it's short form, but you could turn this into like a motivational channel, or really the only thing that's limiting you is your imagination. You can do anything you want with AI. And then the last tool that I want to talk about briefly is just a tool called vidIQ. It's what I use to basically do all SEO kind of stuff for my YouTube channel. And I really like this tool because it keeps me accountable about what some of the competitors are doing in my niche. It gives me different keywords that I can use for ranking. It allows me to find different outliers as far as what videos are doing really well and how I should not steal, but kind of copy what they're doing as far as their thumbnail, how they're wording everything. And this has really helped me grow my small YouTube channel from 11 subscribers all the way to now like 150, 160 in just the last couple weeks. So this video is a little different than what I've been doing. If you want me to help you, take you through these 6 steps of how you actually can start making money, promoting different AI tools, and then posting content and driving traffic to links, definitely book a call with me. It's free, and you'll be getting on a call with me so I can help you set everything up. But that is all for today, AI pros, and I will see you in the next one.